Hey, what's up, you all? This is Steve Liu, your Captain Chef. Thanks for tuning in my channel. Today I'm going to the gardens to pick up some green beans, and I'm going to use that and make you a very delicious dish. Without further ado, let's go and pick up some fresh produce. Here we go, a basket full organic homegrown vegetable fresh from my garden. I'm going to show you how to make stewed green beans. This is a popular northeastern Chinese dish. Slice some pork belly. Then peel off potatoes and make some thin slices. Some chopped ginger, scallion, and garlic. While hot oil in the wok, add pork belly and start stirring fry. Add ginger, scallion, and continue the stirring fry. Add green bean and potatoes and continue stirring fry for about 3 minutes. Add a tablespoon cooking wine. Add a tablespoon soy sauce. Add a teaspoon salt, a teaspoon chicken bouillon. Half cup of chicken broth, half cup of water, put the lid on and cook for 12 minutes. Now I'm trying to smash the potato so that the mashed potato can coat onto the green bean. Now add garlic and the red pepper. Add seasoned oil to improve the flavor and the appearance of the dish. Here's the green bean fresh from my garden. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my future posting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.